Wallpaper costs a fortune, but this trick gives you the same designer look for under $30. All you need is a stencil, some paint, and 20 minutes of patience. Step 1. Paint your base coat and let it cure fully for 24 hours. A slightly glossy base makes it easier to wipe away paint mistakes without damaging the wall. Step 2. Find your wall's center point and use a laser level to mark a plumb line. Position the stencil against this line first, not the corner, so the pattern stays straight even if your walls aren't. Step 3. Secure the stencil with low-tack painter's tape or repositionable spray adhesive. Load a dense foam roller with paint, blot off the excess on a paper towel, then apply in light circular motions. Step 4. Peel the stencils straight up while the paint is still wet to avoid smudging. Line up the registration marks with your last print, then repeat the pattern across the wall. Pro tip: wipe the back of your stencil clean every few reps, or dried paint ridges will bleed under the edges and blur your lines. What pattern would you stencil? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.